Hi everybody, in this video I was going to show you how to replace this faucet with this new one. That does about 80-degree angle. You can twist it. The current one only does about 30, so you can see that it doesn't actually wash the edges of the sink, so it just goes this far. So I'm going to show you how to replace this, but it failed, and I'll show you what happened. So this one only does a certain degree. It's about 30 degrees. That angle is 30 degrees roughly, and I found one that does actually around 80 degrees, which will be able to wash the edges. See, you can turn all the way there, around 80 degrees. But I encountered a problem when I tried replacing it, which I wasn't aware of. So it completely failed. So let me remove this current one and I'll show you what happened. So just make sure you remove the old one. Now I'll try to install the new one. And this is where everything went wrong. So the existing sink tap is actually male, and the faucet is also male. So I'm just going to put the back one in and get back to see whether I can get another one. So the lesson that I learned here is to always check your products before you buy them.